Hi, hello. Yes, we have parcel from Doc Rose Bernabe. Here we go. Wow. What? What's that? Wow. Scissors pa, scissors. You need scissors? Thank you.
Nedam.
Saan to tiga? 1. Okay na ba? Just stir it with your hands na lang. It's okay, you can do it now.
Toti, uma.
It's okay, it's okay.
Uma, hotel.
Ay, grabe ang focus niya sa uma. Hotel.
And Tita Dogbe.
Oh, thank you, Doc Rose Bernabe. Thank you. Wow.
Tita Judy, Ann.
Yes. Who gave you that one?
Kim.
Doc Rose Bernabe. Say it mo na.
Lolo.
Oh, wow. What's that?
Diverti, on the diverti. Mom, on the diverti.
Yes, of course.
On the
Open.
diverti, mom, on the diverti.
Yeah, sure. Oh, come
Mom, diverti, mom, on the
Let me see.
Mom, diverti, mom, on the
Interesting. Okay, let's
Ready
open the bag. Oh, come on. Wow, beautiful bag. Pink color. Pink.
F. Tama.
It's okay, don't cut anymore. Cut this one, but you can get na this one, like this, Oh, ang cute, Labubu. Ay, wow, look at that, This is, sling bag. Wow, inside, like, wow, you have pouch bag. Wow, may headband pa si Chaza. So nice.
No.
Say to Doc Rose Bernabe, thank you. Thank you so much, Doc Rose Bernabe. Maraming salamat. Wow. It's nice. Jaza. Okay, we are na ni Jaza. And then this one po is sling bag. Yellow. So, pandalaga na siya. Look. Wow. Look at that. Wow. So nice. You can put here your, phone. You can put here the phone. Okay po? You can put here the phone. And then look, magnet. See? Happy? What did you say? Thank you so much. Say thank you so much. Doc Rose Bernabe. Maraming salamat po. Ang cute, ang ganda-ganda po. Maraming salamat. God bless po. Ayan.